This is simply amazing. Aren't you excited? All color problems are now solved. We can go home now. Okay, just kidding. You're probably already home. And we actually have some dirty laundry to deal with. First, there are all kinds of things human vision can do that aren't predicted by either XYZ or lab. Color management is garbage in, garbage out. It doesn't evaluate images. You still have to do that or buy something else that does it, because that's not the job of color management. Its job is to bring predictability and to preserve the color appearance of our images from device to device. If you have a nasty image, color management will dutifully cause that nasty image to be reproduced as accurately as it is nauseating. Good luck with that. Its conversions are also one size fits all. It will treat an image of a black cat at midnight the same as it will treat a polar bear in a blizzard. It doesn't know you want more tonal compression in one area of the image at the expense of another to better preserve highlights or shadows. Because color management doesn't know anything about your image. It's just a bunch of pixels, and it does its conversions one pixel at a time. The advantage to this is it's predictable, while dynamic transforms are not. And there are valid workflow concerns for wanting pre-baked transforms. The disadvantage is that we aren't getting the best possible rendering for a specific image being reproduced to a specific output condition viewed under standard or user-specified illumination. Its conversions depend on the quality of the measurements that form the basis of the device profile. We'll see in a later chapter that this isn't always so easy. A chef is only as good as his ingredients, and the same thing applies to color conversions. Color management assumes that you will be viewing the results under a very specific lighting condition, which aren't so easy to implement in practice. All you brilliant designers want window offices. Bad. There are also a host of environmental factors affecting our perception of color that simply aren't accounted for in color management. So, not to burst the bubble, but we need to remain realistic. This stuff works really well, but it does have limitations, and it's what we have. The more variables you control and account for, the better the results. Now, we start getting into some nitty-gritty action in the next chapter where we talk about how to stabilize our devices and build these fancy magical profile thingies.